And the inspiration for the project comes from the fact that all sorts of companies seem to be getting hacked these days. Everything from Ashley Madison to Verizon, everybody seems to be really bad at keeping your password safe. So, how can we make sure that these hackers who are in hoodies and wearing face masks don't get to you and your account? I also don't know why hackers are always portrayed like this. I mean, they're in their own house, they don't have to hide their face. But at least they're conscious of not spreading germs and staying warm, so that's good. But how do these hackers get into your account anyways? Well, one of the most common reasons is password reuse. Using the same password on 20 different sites, from Google to Facebook to Skype to Spotify to all the random services that we sign up to. The problem is that when one of these sites get hacked, then the email and password combination you used to sign up is compromised. So all the hacker has to do is try out those credentials on a bunch of other websites and see if they work. So how would you know if your email and password is on a database somewhere? You can head over to haveibeenpwned.com, notice the spelling there, and type in your email to see if it was involved in a website that had been hacked. So let's try an email here, elon@tesla.com. And it tells us, oh no, it seems like this email has been pawned. And these were the websites which got hacked, potentially leaking this email and its associated password. I actually recommend you to try out your own email addresses right now and see which services you signed up to have been compromised. But if you want better security, then you'll actually need unique passwords for each and every website. And they should really be strong passwords, not 123456 or QWERTY. If I just called out your password, please change it. Now, what we're going to be building is exactly that. We're going to be building a password generator, something that's going to generate strong passwords with letters and symbols and numbers. First, it asks us how many letters would you like in your password. I would like 12. How many symbols would you like? I would like 2. And I would also like 2 numbers in my password. And then I hit enter and it gives me the password that it has generated with 2 symbols, 2 numbers, and 12 letters. So that's a pretty strong looking password, if you ask me. Now I can use this and update my passwords to something very strong and very secure. So this is what we'll be building by the end of today. But in order to do it, we first need to learn some new skills and new concepts. So head over to the next lesson and let's get started.